Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the Instagram theme or mode on iPhone. So you can see here that the theme or the mode of my Instagram account is in a dark mode, or the black one. So we cannot find the switch mode on our Instagram account, right? So the way to change this mode is so simple. You just need to go back into your home screen, and after that you just need to visit the settings button, and in the settings just need to slide into the downside and go click the display and brightness. And in this display and brightness, in this appearance, you just need to switch from dark into the light and make your phone here become into the light mode, and let's see the result. How about the Instagram now? The Instagram will be also in a light mode. So that is the way, guys, how to switch your Instagram from dark mode into the light mode, or the opposite way, from the light mode into the dark mode, only way on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.